Hello, my name is CarsLZK, and this is my all-cardboard train. Except for one little secret. Real steam. It's made by a smoke machine, of course, if you've seen my other product review video. But, I'm using that. And, this smoke machine, well, this train actually has a whole bunch of those toilet paper and paper towel pipes. One paper towel pipe and maybe 2 or 3 toilet paper pipes. But it all equals up to this. Took me a long time to make all this. I got this box. This is a box, this is a box, this is a box, and then there's a box inside here that holds in the smoke, so it slowly comes out like this. But this is like so cool. But just like and subscribe, and bye.